where to sell PLR ebooks once they have been edited. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for anyone interested in creating and selling products online, especially with PLR or private label rights, ebooks. Many folks dip their toes into the world of PLR content, but aren't really sure where to sell those ebooks once they've put in the effort to edit them correctly. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Let's go check it out. First, editing PLR content thoroughly is key. You might think editing just the first couple of paragraphs and the last paragraph in each chapter is enough, but that's a huge mistake. AI tools like ChatGPT have made it easier than ever to revamp your content. However, it's crucial to remember that platforms like Amazon KDP don't allow PLR content in its original form. Therefore, you have to ensure that your entire ebook is original and beneficial to your audience. Editing your PLR content completely helps you to create something distinct. It also allows you to improve the overall quality of the information. You may end up adding your insights, making the content fresher and more relevant. Let's break that down. Number 1, clarity and originality. When you rewrite PLR content, you enhance clarity and originality. Readers are looking for fresh perspectives and insights. Copying PLR as is just doesn't cut it. It'll get your book removed from a lot of publishing platforms. Number 2, unique selling proposition. By completely editing the content, you can also better identify your unique selling proposition. Each section can reflect your voice and approach to your niche, which allows you to resonate better with your target audience. Number 3, avoiding duplicate content issues. Editing your PLR content ensures you avoid duplicate violations. If your ebook resembles another and is still labeled as PLR content, you risk getting your account shut down or having your content removed. So take the time to completely rework it. Once you've edited your PLR ebooks, you must then figure out where to sell them. This brings us to the platforms you can utilize. While Amazon KDP is a big player in the ebook market, their restrictions make it a less ideal choice for PLR content that's not adequately edited. Let's explore some excellent alternatives where you can sell your edited PLR ebooks. Number 1, your own website or blog. This is perhaps the best option. Having your website allows you to control your content and sales. You can build an email list and promote your ebooks to your audience directly. This direct approach cultivates loyalty and trust. However, saying that, you first need to build your list first before you can promote this to them. Number 2, e-commerce platforms. Websites like Shopify or WooCommerce allow you to set up an online store quickly. You can manage your own pricing, promotions, and upsells. These platforms fit well if you plan to sell multiple products or bundles in the future. Number 3, Etsy. You might be surprised, but Etsy isn't just for handmade goods. It's also a fantastic platform for selling digital products like ebooks. The visibility of Etsy can help you reach a broader audience who may be interested in your niche. Number 4, Gumroad. This platform is perfect for selling digital downloads. It's user-friendly and designed for creators. You can set your pricing, and it allows subscription models, which means recurring revenue potential. Do not try and sell the rights on Gumroad, or you will get your account shut down. Number 5, ClickBank. If your ebook fits a specific niche and is marketable, ClickBank could be the right platform for you. It has a built-in affiliate program to help you reach more customers through affiliates promoting your ebook on their platforms. Number 6, online marketplaces. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork can be useful for selling your ebooks as part of a service. You might package your ebook as a bonus to consulting or coaching services. Number 7, social media. Don't overlook platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Pinterest. They provide avenues to promote and sell directly. You can share snippets of your ebook, engage your audience, and take them to a landing page or your shop. Now that we've discussed where to sell your edited PLR ebooks, let's talk about why thorough editing is so crucial. When you edit, you need to make sure that you're actually bringing value. AI tools can help speed up this process. For example, ChatGPT can help brainstorm new ideas, suggest edits, or even create a new angle for your content that you might not have thought about. When tweaking your content, think about the following. Number 1, improve readability. Use AI to help make your sentences clear and engaging. It can provide suggestions on sentence structure and flow. Number 2, add value. Identify areas where you can add more information or insights. AI can help research recent developments in your topic area that you could incorporate. But double check the research because AI has been known to be wrong and lie about facts. Number 3, title and cover design. A catchy title and eye-catching cover can make all the difference. Use AI design tools to create attractive visuals. This draws in potential customers. Now let's clarify one crucial aspect, why editing matters more for PLR rather than for original content. PLR content is often sold to multiple users. As a result, it's widely available. If you only do surface-level edits, your product may compete with identical content. It won't stand out. Also, your audience deserves quality content. They're looking for information that's actionable and well-researched. Poorly edited PLR content will get poor reviews, and word of mouth could damage your reputation. Ultimately, the more unique and tailored your content, the better your sales and audience engagement will be. And remember, editing with AI tools can vastly improve that process and make it less time-consuming. Once you've edited your PLR ebook completely and finalized where to sell it, consider marketing it effectively to reach potential customers. Make sure you promote it multiple times in multiple places. Number 1, email marketing. Build an email list. Use it to promote your new ebook and provide valuable free content first. Then pitch your ebook as a beneficial resource. Number 2, social proof. Gather reviews. If you sell on platforms like Etsy or your website, encourage customers to leave feedback. Display positive reviews prominently as testimonials. But saying that, if you don't have any testimonies, go to places like Facebook, join groups in your niche, and then give it away to a couple of people in exchange for a review. Number 3, paid advertising. Consider Facebook ads or Instagram ads targeted to your audience. They can help reach broader demographics interested in your topic. Number 4, content marketing. Create blog posts or videos surrounding the topics of your ebook. Share valuable insights which can attract organic traffic and potential customers to your sales page. Editing your PLR ebooks thoroughly is not just a suggestion, it's a necessity. You've learned that unique content helps you stand out in crowded markets. Plus, you've identified multiple platforms where you can sell your edited ebooks effectively. By leveraging AI tools, such as ChatGPT, you can streamline this process. So take full advantage of what's available, and you can create products that resonate with your audience and position you for greater success. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what niche you plan to create ebooks in. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.